किस दिन लड़की भी चल के देखो 11 बजे, तुम्हें पता लगा डर क्या होता है। चलना बस, ना छेड़ना मत उसको, बस चल दो, तेज तेज चल दो, भाग लो एकदम से और आगे ओवरटेक कर लो। इतने तो मुंह तो निकल जाता है उनका। तो इन लड़कियों से मत डरा कर भाई, डरना तो किसी ढंग के डरो इन सबसे।
ये शायद अपने झुंड के लोगों के बीच बन गया होगा सिग्मा मेल, बट इससे बड़ा पिग मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा। एंड आई एम सॉरी टू से दैट बिकॉज पिग्स आर एक्चुअली बेटर स्पीशीज़. I don't understand that why some men, I would say some men because comments में gang आ जाएगी पूरी, and I don't know why some men go about flaunting situations, crimes that they themselves are responsible for and then try to demean the other gender using that situation. This person is saying that if a girl goes out late night and if she is chased by a man, she would be scared to death. Should be frightened, should be threatened, and you shouldn't be, as a man, as a sigma man, you shouldn't be threatened by a creature like that. और ऐसा स्टेटमेंट देने के बाद ये बंदा बहुत ही प्राइड ले रहा है उस चीज़ को बोलने में. एंड सी द गैंग ऑफ बॉयज़ अराउंड हिम, देर अपलॉडिंग हिम, स्टड बन गया ये सब बोल के. तो इस स्टेटमेंट से और इस मेंटालिटी से यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक इट आउट दैट इट्स नॉट पेट्रियार्की, it's something even deeper than that. Patriarchy is a form of oppression that oppresses a particular segment of the society. Patriarchy की वजह से लोगों को कुछ benefits मिलते हैं, that is why people are practicing it. But when it comes to situations like these, when it comes to statements like these, जहाँ पे crimes को normalize तो कर ही रखा है plus glamorize कर रखा है, और उस चीज़ को, ऐसी चीज़ को, ऐसी heinous चीज़ को बोलते हुए शर्म तो बहुत दूर की बात है, but they are taking pride. When people go about saying all these shit and take pride, it is a psychological disorder or a disease. It's not patriarchy, it's beyond that. मैंने बहुत ऐसी वीडियोस देखी हैं और उन पे कमेंट्स देखे हैं, and those comments are actually shocking, but I don't know, I don't have any words. There was this video about a girl who was sexually molested after she had an argument with her mother. She went out in the rage of argument, she went out of her home, and then she was molested by a group of people, and then she was shot dead or she was killed. A situation like that was there. The comment section was filled with disgusting statements, judgments of the girl, the victim who died because somebody or a group of people chose to do bad things to her. Comments like, सही हो उसके साथ जो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ऐसे बिहेव करेगी, उसके साथ ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. Why did she go late at night? She deserved pill treatment. Those people are sigma males. Those people deserve an hats off, a salute, because they did that to her. They taught her a lesson. And this was not just one comment. There was a series of comments and thousands of likes on that singular comment. So you can make out the kind of mentality people have. My interpretation of people like these is that such people find it their birthright to do wrong with the opposite gender if she does happen to deviate from the rules of the society that they think are the rules, which might not be the rules, but they, sigma men, think that are the rules. If she's wearing short clothes, she's voicing her opinions, she's walking on streets at late nights, she deserves that kind of punishment. This is the kind of mentality these people have. The cases against women are not enough. These men go on to become influencers, speak shit like women are not something you or someone you need to be scared of. जो इंसान अगर आप उसको चेस करोगे, एंड ही इज़ एक्चुअली गिविंग पीपल द आइडिया एंड एक्चुअली प्रोपेलिंग पीपल टू ट्राई एंड डू इट, go out late nights and just try chasing her, should be scared. And this according to him is a prank. No dear, you can actually land up in a jail for even making this kind of statement, and I know that you might land up in a jail, you might come out after bail after 2 to 3 months, and you would face all the charges and still be proud of what you said, because this is the kind of person you are. This is psychological wiring. I'm no expert, I'm no psychologist, but I think the situation is very apparent itself. It's beyond patriarchy. The kind of mentality these people have, these statements show that these people have no humanity or empathy whatsoever. If this person can go about saying a statement like this about a woman, so it is apparent that he does not respect his own mother or sister, and he has similar views for them as well, and be okay if something bad happens to them as well. And people do treat their mothers and sisters and wives like that. Domestic abuse is so common. Basic empathy जिसको बोलते हैं ना, basic empathy वो ही नहीं है. Basic empathy छोड़ो, इम्यूनिटी डेवलप हो गई है लोगों की, क्योंकि ये जो स्टेटमेंट इसने बोला, ये स्टेटमेंट ये अकेला बंदा नहीं बोल रहा है. हमारे आसपास, हमारी सराउंडिंग्स में we'll meet several people who would go about making such kind of statements and laugh it off, and we just because of the peer pressure might also laugh it off, but it's not something you need to laugh about. This is horrendous, this is ridiculous, this is shameful, but we are immune to it all, because we are immune to all of it, because cases इतने रोज आए दिन केसेस सुनने को मिलते हैं मास कॉन्शियसनेस से वो इम्यूनिटी रिप ऑफ हो चुकी है. People can't feel anything lately. People have become so immune to all this that they would grieve for 1 minute or two, but then would get away with it or get on with their lives, which is, I know, but it's so normalized. It's sad and shocking because these things should not be normalized. I don't know. I'm so exhausted. I don't have even breath to speak further on this.